My name's Adam, and I'm in 5th grade, and I go to Pink Elementary.
My name is Shiven, and I'm 9, and I go to Mixpen Elementary.
My name is Hrithik, and I'm 11 years old, and I'm in 5th grade, and I go to Hrithik Elementary.
We made a website that would recommend free roam video games to people. And this is the homepage. We have a slideshow here that shows some of the logos for some of the games that we have. And this is a paragraph that tells people what we do on the website.
So up here we added a navigation bar. So whenever you it's light blue when for the page which you are already on, and then whenever you hover over another subject, it turns blue. And then in here, so if you go to wrong one. If you go to the home page, we put it in a another list, but we classed it as a navigation, and we put each one, and then we put a for it, and then when we click on the home, it will direct us to the home page, and for the other ones too.
So for the other pages, there's a video for some of these, like a trailer for them. That's just a little bit, and then there's also trailers for the other ones. We also have reasons why you should get the game. Oh yeah, and for the slideshow, we got copied and pasted pictures, and we did the height and width, the height, and we got it from Google, and then we copied it, and then we put it in this script, and then we did this code to put the slideshow in. And this is also the code for some the video for the Legend of Zelda trailer. And we'll pass it to Adam.
This is the recommendation page that we made, and we used the table tag in the HTML to make the table, and we used check marks and X's that we found on Google Images for the checks and X's. And the point of this page is to find what game would fit you and what you have the best. Minecraft is on the Xbox, PlayStation, PC, and it's going to be on the Nintendo Switch pretty soon. And I got a 90% on Metacritic, but it doesn't really have a story. So if you want a game with a story, you wouldn't really want to play that game. If you want a game with a story, you'd play all the games that have a check mark under story. And if you want to go to the game page, you can just click the logo and I'll take you to that page. Yeah. So the code for the page. Where is it? Oh, the code for the game is for the recommendation page is we used the table tag and the TH tags and the TD tags to make the text, the logo, and the X's and check marks. And we had to do it like 4 times to make the 4 games. And to save time, we just copy and pasted like all of them to make them the same and to make it easier.
Me and Shiven, we both we had troubles on some of the game pages. I mean, on the home page. What happened was this text was it was covering the picture, so we had to ask Nash to come here, and he found a code that makes it go below the picture.
A problem I encountered was the style CSS, how to style the CSS, and the CSS didn't work, so I had to, sometimes it didn't work. I had to run through it, and we had to run through it and change the code. And I learned a lot in this semester, and I learned how to style the CSS. And I really want to try out in the future. I want like a thing to make you try out the games on the website.
Some of the things that we learned while making this website was the ability to add like a slideshow to the different pages, and we learned how to like correctly style the CSS so it would look cool.
Something which I would really like to add to this is how to add an image to the background, which would make it look very cool.
When more free roam games comes out, or when I play more, I want to add those to the website so people would have more options than just 4 games. And instead of having like just like a page, like a chart, I wanted to add like a quiz. So you would take the quiz and then it would give you like the link to one of the pages that it recommended for you.